All right, my friends, we have done the unboxing videos already of the premium mystery box and the deluxe. So you know what time it is. It is time, of course, to unbox the supreme mystery box from the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day collection of 2020, which is, it's so weird to say 2020. Can we be real for a second? I am so excited to unbox this box. It had a painful price tag of $145, but supposed to come with 12 items, 5 of which are exclusive items to this box. Are they gonna be merchandise items? Are they gonna be cosmetics? I don't know yet. He kept it very vague, and with good reason, I think. So I'm super excited to see what this entails, both non-exclusives and exclusives. I'm so excited. I keep saying excited over and over, and I'm sorry if it's getting redundant. I really need to pull out my thesaurus and find a different word for excited, because that's just what I feel, and that's just what I keep saying, but it has to get annoying, and for that, I'm sorry. P.S. If this is your first time stumbling upon my channel over here, hey, what's up? Welcome. I'm Ashley Ellix. I am a beauty YouTuber here on the tube, and I post cruelty-free beauty-related videos 3 times a week outside of this little unboxing thing. If you've enjoyed my little unboxing series and you've been watching them, but you haven't committed to that little subscribe button yet, you can go ahead and consider that, you know, at any point in time. And I would love to have you a part of my fan bam. But enough chit chat, enough jibber jabbing. If you're like me, you're probably yelling at the screen right now saying, open the box. So we're gonna do that. And if you don't mind, you can just go ahead and sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. Boop. Let's do this. I kind of feel like I want really pretty pink scissors now. Oh my gosh. What if he started making box cutters? Jeffree Star, you're not watching, but what about box cutters? I mean, that's probably a liability, but I'd open every box with them. I'm just saying. Oh, these kind of look like brains. Weird. All right, ready? I'm trying. Sorry, I'm peeking. Okay, all right. Okay, I'll open it. What do we see? Oh my gosh, take your guesses really quickly. Leave a comment down below what you think is in this giant mystery box. It's supposed to be 12 items. Let me know. Let me know. What do you think? Okay, let's do it. Ooh, okay. Okay, this is either a tote or, oh, is that a fanny pack? Oh, I love fanny packs. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. All right. I see a couple dupes of some recent mystery boxes, but that's okay, because that's what we kind of get into when we order mystery boxes, right? It's a mystery. Yeah, so that's a little grocery tote or whatever you want to be, maybe overnight bag or something. I love the print. I think it's super cute, but I'm going to be completely honest right now. The fabric is a little cheap. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not trying to like dog it and like be off to a bad start, but I'm just telling it like I am. This kind of feels like when you go to Joann's and you go and feel just the plain fabrics. That's what it feels like. It doesn't seem very sturdy in my opinion. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Just my first impressions. All right, this is so cute. Oh, it's one of his, is it like a messenger bag? I don't know, but I love maroon, and I'm totally down for this. I'm super excited. Well, I'm gonna keep this, so I'll open this up to show you guys. Anything that I have duplicates of, I will probably be doing a giveaway for. So of course, you're gonna wanna make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a giveaway video, just saying. So that color is so me, so cute. I love that. I know he just started making these, so I don't know if this color is exclusive with this box or if he had this box available. Has a little front pocket, super cute. Long strap, and the full size, which I really like. I like the 2 little compartment piece. Oh, and there's even pockets inside the full size, which is really nice. That definitely helps. It's like a full size mesh. It's hard to see because it's black. It's like a mesh thingy right there. All right, very cute. I can dig that. Next up, we have this. What is in here? I do not know. We shall know in a second. Okay. Is it the platinum ice highlighter? It is. It is. No, it's brain freeze. Yay. All right, cool. Yeah, I already have the platinum ice highlighting palette, and I do not have brain freeze yet, and I heard a lot of good things about this one, so I'm very excited. Let's open her up. Oh, it is so cute. I don't know why I didn't get this one. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, gosh, I want to say things, but okay, I'm going to do that thing I did in the last video where I'm going to say a spoiler right now for the middle-sized deluxe box that was $100. So if you don't want to hear earmuffs or like fast forward like 30 seconds, okay? I got the 24 karat gold in the deluxe box. I think I'll save that one for a giveaway and keep this one because this has some similar tones, but it probably will work better for my skin tone and maybe some like different eye looks and stuff. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I'll think it over, but anyways, okay. End spoilers. Got lots of lippies in here. Okay, I got another pop socket. Now, again, spoiler, got it in the first size, the small size, same one. I think it was the same one. I don't love it when he repeats exclusives. That's just me. Okay, I'm not gonna open this. This is another Blue Blood palette, which I did get in my Christmas holiday mystery box. So that is what's with that. I think that I will be saving this for another giveaway. You guys were super excited for that. And of course there was only one winner because I only have one palette. So I know you guys will be excited to have another giveaway with this. So I'll put that aside. Do I wish maybe he saved that for maybe a summer mystery box? Yeah, I kind of do. Just to kind of like space it out. But you know what? Whatever. It's a mystery box. I can't be mad. I can't. I'm not going to be mad. I'm not. It's a mystery box. Of course, it's going to happen. All right, some glosses here. Some glosses. So we got Ice Cold. And we have the exclusive, which is called Soft Core Sparkle. Oh, that's exciting. Okay, so first, let me take out the exclusive first. That's all what you guys came here for. I know it is. That's what I would come here for. Ooh, she is purple and beautiful. I was really hoping for a purple gloss from his exclusives, but I didn't think that it was gonna happen. Yet here we are, you guys. I am so excited for this. Yay! So just like the other videos, let me show you that, and then I'll turn off the light so you guys can see how gorgeous that is. Let me do a little swatch. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, you see that shift? So this one is more on the subtle side. It's just a hint, but it is really pretty, and I'm excited to have that in my collection personally. Now the next one, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep. This is Ice Cold. I'm gonna try to gently open the packaging to not to disturb or rip it or tear it. Okay, yeah, this is like the white one. This is gorgeous. This is really pretty, like topper. I'm not sure if I need to hang on to it or not. I'll have to look at swatches, and if I don't want to keep it, I'll either give it to friends or family or save it for a giveaway. You know the drill. We have 3 liquid lippies over here. So we have Blow Pony, which I believe is a fun purple. Ooh, whoa. I love purple, so I'm super excited for this. Okay, that's something that you guys have to keep in mind, definitely, if you're getting mystery boxes. Sometimes there's some more avant-garde shades, some more unique shades, some more different ones, maybe not wearable, but in my opinion, if you wear it, it's wearable, but you know what I mean, like not as neutral of shades. But me personally, I do not mind. That's part of the reason why I get his boxes, because he sends liquid lipsticks that maybe I don't get around to getting, or I just don't, because I don't want to spend all my money. I'm excited for that one, definitely. This one is called Restraints, and let me see which, I think it's a metallic. Ooh, silver metallic. That is really cute. Me and silver kind of aren't the bestest of friends when it comes to my face. When it comes to my entire house, everything is gray except this stupid filming room, which is yellowy beige, and it makes my hair look yellowy beige. But my whole life is gray, except I can't wear gray makeup for some reason. It just doesn't compute, although my hair is kind of gray. I know, it doesn't make sense, I know, but I'll have to think about this one. So I don't want to swatch that one yet either. Mistletoe. I was honestly trying to figure out if I wanted this one during the holidays because I think it's so cool. It's so unique, and you can use it as a liner, and you can use it as a lipstick, what it's created for, obviously. I think it's super freaking cool. I can dig this one. I'm so excited. I know I'm gonna keep this for sure. I'm gonna keep Blow Pony too. I don't know why I didn't swatch it, but that is freaking nifty. It's a nifty gifty. That is really cool. And the packaging is so cute. Oh my goodness. Like I said, I'm keeping Blow Pony, so there's a swatch for that. Okay. You know what? I love that. I'm obsessed. I think I like that better than Purple Urkel, which is what I got in my Christmas mystery box. And that formula was kind of weird for some reason. This one feels like his regular formula. None of them smell like root beer. Why do only one of my liquid lipsticks from him smell like root beer? I don't get it. Mannequin. That's the only one of his that smells like that. I also have the Mojito lip scrub. That is really yummy. Let's take a whiff. Now, I noticed something with his lip scrubs, you guys. Tell me if you noticed this too. The first lip scrub I had from him was the marshmallow one, and to me, it didn't do anything. It smelled really yummy, but like literally it wouldn't help my lips at all. I got the lemon lime one in the holiday mystery boxes, and it works so well. I don't know if it's because they use like lemon and lime in it, and that's a better exfoliant. So Mojito would probably be a similar vibe. Oh, that just makes me want a Mojito real bad, you know? It literally makes me thirsty. Like, I'm so thirsty right now. Where's my water? It's literally a Mojito. A little tiny bit of an alcohol smell too, like, but it might be my head. Wow, I want a Mojito really bad now. Oh, I might need to keep that, but it might be too hard. I don't know. I don't know. Some of you guys might be like, why do you keep trying to get rid of stuff? Why did you buy this box if you're just trying to give everything away? But I'm trying not to be like such a hoarder of makeup and things and just really keep things that like I either just love or spark joy or I can utilize. And I don't want to hoard things if I can pass them along to somebody that might enjoy them more than me, you know what I mean? So I don't think that's a bad thing. I got a mirror, I think. Is it one of the Jeffree Star approved mirrors? Oh my gosh. Let's find out. Is this an exclusive mirror? I hope so, because it's supposed to be 5 exclusives. And what exclusives did I get? I got the gloss. I got the messenger bag. I got the tote. What am I missing? This has to be one, but what's my 5th thing? What am I missing? You guys are probably yelling at me like, it was this thing. And I'm like, I seriously filmed these videos all in a row and I'm kind of just like swimming in confusion at this point. Gosh, that's driving me crazy. Oh, that is so cute. Look at how it matches my background. Not that this background stays all the time because it doesn't. Oh, that, ooh, I might like that better than the star because it's all right. Hey guys, hey. That is really a good freaking mirror. It really is. That is cute. Jeffree Star approved? I think so. I think so. I think the 5th one is the pop socket. Yeah, so that was the lip gloss, the tote, the messenger bag, this, and the mirror. So I'm not super amped on this, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so that is it. Box is empty. So of course, now is the point in the video that you guys can let me know, what did you get in your supreme size $145 mystery box? Now, honestly, if you've watched all 3 of these unboxing videos that I did, I want to know, which tier do you think was the best tier and the most bang for your buck? I'm gonna tell you guys mine right now. So if you're trying to avoid spoilers, of course, you know, again, earmuffs. But honestly, this is just as shocking to me as it is to you. My favorite box that I unboxed was the $60 premium box. I really am amped for that box and it was only $60. Freaking love the lip gloss that came with that. That's the exclusive lip gloss. That is like my favorite one out of all the boxes. I'm super excited for my Alien palette. The beanie alone is worth the box to me. I am so excited. Now that's not to say that the other boxes weren't worth it, but just for me, there was just more dupes in those ones, which is fine because not everybody is gonna have those things already, you know what I mean? But for me, I think a little critique I would have had would be like, if you're gonna throw in palettes in the mystery boxes, just, I would space them out. I guess like, you know, the palette that we got in box number 2, the deluxe one, was spaced out from the last, you know, ones that he did. Maybe it's just me. I feel like because he just did the Blue Blood palette in the holiday Christmas ones, it would have been nice. I know Blood Sugar is kind of like one of his really coveted ones, but considering the price point of $145, I think it would have been nice to do the Blood Sugar instead of the Blue Blood. Now, there might be variations out there that have it. I don't know. I've avoided all spoilers, so let me know if you got that by any chance. That would be really nice. It was pretty, you know, randomized, but blue, you know, Valentine's Day, I don't know. That's what I was kind of, even though I already have the Blood Sugar, I feel like that would be, you know, more unique, because a lot of people just buy his mystery boxes and that's where they get the flow, and you know, it just would have been nice to have something different than last round's mystery box that just happened a month and a half ago. I'm just saying. Yeah, you know, the tote bag could have been made with better quality. Yeah, the pop socket could have been at least a different color, but there could be other variations out there and I just got like that variation. I don't know, but otherwise it's a mystery box and I'm excited and it's so much fun. These are some of the most fun videos that I have. Like, I just love unboxing. It's so exciting because I don't know what I'm gonna get, you know? Now I want to say a quick thank you to any of you guys out there who actually followed along with all 3 of my Jeffree Star Valentine's Day unboxing videos. I really appreciate you taking time out of your day to spend a little time with me and let me yell at you about how excited I am for makeup, and it was nice to have you a part of this. If you want to see more videos from me and you haven't subscribed yet, I would love it if you would consider subscribing and tapping that little bell. That way you get notified when I post more videos, which, like I mentioned at the beginning, is 3 times a week. But you guys, that is it. That's a wrap for my 3 Jeffree Star mystery boxes for Valentine's Day of 2020. Again, so good to have you. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope that every single one of you out there, every single one of you, I'm so serious, go out there, you guys, and have a great, freaking awesome, wonderful, beautiful, happy day. YouTuber here on the tube. It's hard to say it. This is like my 6th time saying it tonight. The deluxe side, not deluxe. Oh my gosh, I mix them all up. Premium, deluxe, supreme. Oh my gosh. Videos already of the, I cannot remember the names of these. They're too hard. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, calm down. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. If you don't, then it was nice knowing you. Or thanks for stopping by or something. Where's my phone? Oh, there it is. These boxes are difficult with my nails. Be smarter than the box, Ashley. Be smarter than the box. Where's my actual scissors? I shouldn't dull my eyebrow scissors. He should know better. He has crazy nails. Okay. It read 145? 145. Beauty videos, beauty. How many times can I say that? Okay. I'm spitzing. Oh. If this is your first time you've stopped, if this is full size, no, not all full size. It is. All right, you guys. I'm getting tired and not making any sense. Okay, let's start over. A little secret for those of you guys who have stuck around through all of these videos and including the bloopers. I'm tired now. Oh my goodness. I'm filming this at night because I got this like at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I was, you know, attending to my daughter and making dinner and everything, and I had to do my makeup late at night, and it's probably 10 o'clock at night now and I'm tired. So my energy level is slowly going down. Okay. All right, you guys. Thanks seriously for stopping by and hanging out this whole time. You guys are the real MVP, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Done. That's a wrap, baby. Boom!